Guys, today I'm focusing on my client haircut. It's after a drop fade with a V-shape detailed below the occipital bone. To begin, I'm combing his hair, preparing the canvas for the blade work. Now that is done, I'm using a number 1 guard with the neighbor fully closed to start the initial guideline below the C-curve area. I'm extending it towards the back to create the V-shape look he desires. Using a 1.5 guard with the lever fully open, I'm establishing a 1-inch guideline. I'm ensuring this guideline aligns parallel to the previous baseline. Guys, remember to brush frequently. Keep your workplace canvas clean. Moving on, I switch back to the number 1 guard with the lever fully open. You will notice me adjust the lever more frequently. With the lever halfway closed, I'm eliminating the last visible line, achieving a detailed transition. I will continue until all sections come together. My number 3 guard with the lever fully open. This is the highest guard I will use for this haircut. It helps determine the amount of bulk at the top that needs removal. Next, I switch to number 2 guard, working just beneath the number 3, ensuring a smooth connection without going too high. Here, I use the number 1 guard with the lever fully open. I employ the corner taking technique to blend the entire panel. Lastly, I use the clipper and comb technique, refining the fade and bringing the whole process together.